Good morning, students. Today's topic is construction or formation of an ordinary differential equation. We have only one method named as by elimination of arbitrary constants. If a function or relation consists n arbitrary constant, then we find an ODE of order n. That ODE may be linear or may be non-linear. If degree of differential equation is 1, then ODE is called linear. If the degree of differential equation is more than 1, then that ODE is called non-linear. We understand the construction of differential equation with the help of a question. The question is, obtain a differential equation of a family of circles passing through the origin and having centers on the x-axis. Already you studied in the class of 11th or 12th about circles and properties. According to the question, family of circles passing through the origin. This is x-axis, this is y-axis, this is origin. Circle passing through origin and centers lies on x-axis. X-axis means points maybe here, maybe here, maybe here, maybe here, maybe here. Suppose the center is this point which lies on an x-axis, so y coordinate will be 0. Suppose x coordinate is a, then this point is a0. Now, since this distance is a and this is also radius of circle, this distance is a and this is radius of circle, so radius will be a. According to this formula, its equation can be written as x minus a square plus y minus 0 square is equal to a square. This can be simplified as this: x square plus y square minus 2x is equal to 0. Equation 1. Equation 1 consists only one arbitrary constant a. So we will find an ODE of order 1. How do we find? We differentiate this equation one time with respect to x. Here we assume y as dependent variable and x as independent variable. When we differentiate this equation with respect to x, we find this. It can be written as a is equal to x plus y dy upon dx. This is equation 2. We have to eliminate constant a from equation 1 and 2. When we put value of a equal to this in equation 1, it becomes this equation. It can be written as 2xy dy upon dx plus x square minus y square equal to 0. It consists derivative dy upon dx. Its order is 1. Also its degree is 1. So this is a differential equation of order 1 and degree is also 1.